A big Bitcoin breakout is going to be inevitable today, while the dollar currency index is heavily falling towards the downside. The stock market is still outperforming Bitcoin by a lot, so we are going to need to talk about this exactly. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 100 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's the short term. And yes, like I've been saying for the recent few days, I do not think that this symmetrical triangle is going to be the pattern to watch, because yes, a lot of fake outs have already happened, for example right over here, and also right now we are kind of just struggling to be breaking above, and we are not really getting this clean breakout. But I've been saying to be having a look into this ascending triangle over here, and this is going to be the pattern to be watching for Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin can be breaking above this level of resistance over here, well, in that case, we are going to be breaking above this major level over here. So this pattern that we are seeing right now is going to be much more important than this pattern over here. So that is why I want to be having a look into this pattern over here. Now, yes, currently we are not getting our clean breakthrough just yet, but if you are going to be seeing this breakout towards the upside, definitely I think we are going to be creating a huge breakout and a huge green candle towards the upside. Now, do still keep in mind that we could still be consolidating inside of this pattern for the next couple of days, but eventually I do think that we are going to be seeing this massive breakout, and I'm still going to be just playing it very easily. If we are going to be seeing a break towards the downside, well, in that case, I'm going to be getting a very good opportunity in the market to be buying up some cheap Bitcoin at lower prices again. That's just going to be my strategy. That has been my strategy for the past couple of days. If we are going to be seeing this move towards the downside, filling up this Bitcoin wick over here, well, that would be very good, and that will be that ultimate opportunity in the market. But also, if you're already going to be seeing this break towards the upside right now, well, in that case, I'm also definitely going to be getting interested in playing the breakout towards the upside, because in that case, Bitcoin is going to be breaking above a major level of resistance right over here. We are going to be breaking back inside of our range, and I think if we're going to be breaking back above this level of resistance, that 68k level is going to be getting reached for sure. So yeah, it is going to be a crucial decision point right now in that imminent short term for Bitcoin. But if we are going to be zooming out just a little bit more, we can actually be seeing that Bitcoin right now indeed is creating a bearish divergence. And also, in the past couple of days to the past couple of weeks, we can actually be seeing that every single time, whenever the stock market has been opening, the US stock market has been opening, well, Bitcoin has been taking a massive hit towards the downside. So we did not see the same exact thing happening over again yesterday, but we can be seeing this very common pattern that usually whenever the US stock market actually opens, we can be seeing a big Bitcoin dip towards the downside. And I do not think that this is going to be a coincidence, because at the same time, we can also be seeing that, yes, Bitcoin is lagging behind the stock market massively. So someone in America probably is selling off a lot of Bitcoin. The Bitcoin price is getting suppressed a lot versus the stock market. The stock market is close towards reaching new all-time highs again, while yeah, Bitcoin is still lagging behind during this region over here. But yeah, I do think that Bitcoin has some catching up to do anytime soon, with a huge catch-up move and a huge catch-up trade to be made with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin getting suppressed right now in the short term, I actually do think it is going to be more kind of a bullish thing. Anyways, still, this level of resistance is going to be the level to be breaking above. If Bitcoin can be breaking back above this 61k, 62k level, this level of resistance over here, well, in that case, we are definitely once again going to be looking back bullish again. But right now, it's still going to be looking rather a little bit more bearish. Alright, breaking this previous support in towards resistance, right now confirming it as in towards resistance. So we need to be getting back above this level over here. Otherwise, it is going to be looking very bad and very bearish for Bitcoin. But before looking in towards the dollar currency index, because that is going to be very important, well, we need to be having a look and need to be talking about this Bitcoin summer right now. Because yes, during this Bitcoin summer, well, Bitcoin is just consolidating sideways, just like it has been doing in the past, like you can be seeing in this chart. Usually during a Bitcoin summer, Bitcoin just tends to consolidate. So yes, of course, it is to be expected that we are going to be consolidating during this Bitcoin summer, but after this summer, well, we have seen a similar consolidation pattern right over here during last summer. Right now we are seeing the same exact consolidation pattern, and what happened right after is a huge move towards the upside. So right now we could be doing the same exact thing. This next move that we might be getting might be very and extremely bullish towards the upside. Do keep it in mind, do be prepared for that. And after this boring consolidation we are seeing right now, well, a big move is going to be inevitable. So make sure to be watching this chart over here with this huge breakout we could be getting. So yeah, Bitcoin just needs to be confirming this higher low over here. If Bitcoin is going to be confirming this higher low right now, we are going to be seeing similar price action just like we have seen over here. And we are just going to be seeing another massive rally, in my opinion, towards the 68k level. But anyways, this ascending triangle we can right now be having a look towards is going to be ultimately very important for the Bitcoin price. So anyways, if you're going to be getting interested in trading this pattern yourself as well, make sure to check out that link down below, because with that link down below over on Bybit, you can right now be claiming a 30,000 US dollar deposit bonus. And on top of that, if you're going to be using that first link down below, you can also be claiming a 500 US dollar free trade. So all you need to do is just click on that first link down below, sign up a new account, complete KYC level 1, and there you go. You can be literally claiming a 500 US dollar free trade, where with this trade you can be making thousands and thousands of US dollars for literally for free. So that is going to be quite insane. If you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well with this breakout coming up, definitely make sure to be checking it out with that link down below. Anyways, guys, having a look towards this chart, this is going to be very important because the dollar currency index is right now falling very heavily. And the dollar currency index falling is exactly what we need for a parabolic Bitcoin bull market. We could be seeing it right over here, the dollar currency index falling. That was exactly our bear market bottom. Also right over here, that was the stage where, yeah, the parabolic bull market for Bitcoin has started. And also, for example, right over here, this is exactly what we need for our parabolic Bitcoin bull market, the dollar currency index actually starting to fall. And of course, we have been already talking about this signal for many times on this channel. Of course, during this breakdown actually, well, we have already started to cover it a lot. During this breakdown over here, I've been saying this is going to be very bullish for the Bitcoin price. And of course, all of this breakdown is currently happening because of the rate cuts that are going to be happening starting next month. So yeah, anyways, the dollar is currently weakening, but that is going to be very bullish for the Bitcoin price, because whenever the dollar becomes worth less, well, Bitcoin becomes more valuable and Bitcoin tends to go parabolic towards the upside. So yes, right now it is starting to happen. Now do keep in mind that the dollar is currently sitting at a massive level of support right over here. But if you're going to be breaking down below this level over here, well, definitely do keep in mind that we do not have a lot of support sitting down below us, and the dollar will start to crash down below. And well, if that is going to be happening, you can already guess what is going to be happening next with the Bitcoin price. Well, then the bull market, of course, is going to be continuing towards the upside. So for the long-term outlook for Bitcoin, that is going to be looking very bullish. Anyways, guys, also on that longer term, we are just still in this massive consolidation pattern over here. A massive breakout is going to be inevitable in the coming few months. I'm preparing myself right now. I'm just buying more and more Bitcoin each and every single day. Also, I'm going to be looking to be opening up a big Bitcoin trade if the opportunity arises right now in the market. Potentially, if we are going to be breaking above this level of resistance, I think we are going to be seeing a massive breakout trade to be made. But anyways, guys, with that being said, interesting times definitely ahead of ourselves. And guys, if you do want to be staying up to date about every single market development, make sure to be following me over on Twitter. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.